And next, state and prove the memoryless property of exponential distribution is very important derivation. What is the statement? If x is exponentially distributed random variable, then p of x greater than s plus t given, you call this front slash as given x greater than s equal to probability of x greater than t for any s and t, positive s and t. But now I am going to find out what is probability of x greater than k for exponential distribution. Here lower limit of x has been restricted at k, so lower limit equal to k. Upper limit is general upper limit, that is infinity. And f of x, what is probability density function of exponential distribution? That f of x equal to lambda into e power minus lambda x into dx. Now you integrate this integral function, then take lambda outside, integrating that integrand, then minus lambda into e power minus lambda x divided by lambda, and substituting the limiting case in this function, you cancel these two lambdas. Therefore probability of x greater than k equal to e power minus lambda k. Now I am going to find out what is the value of this left hand side. What is the value of this left hand side of the statement? That left hand side of the statement is nothing but probability of x greater than s plus t given x greater than s equal to probability of x greater than s plus t intersection probability of x greater than s divided by probability of x greater than s. This is nothing but by using conditional probability we can get this result. What is conditional probability? Definition: probability of a given b equal to probability of a intersection b divided by probability of b. But the same matter, probability of this term given, this term is nothing but probability of first term intersection probability of second term divided by probability of this second term. That's all. Now you see the intersection between x greater than s plus t and x greater than s plus t, the largest value, largest continuum. This x greater than s plus t is the common region between x greater than s. So if we start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 etc. up to 10, and another person starts from 5, 6, 7, 8 etc. up to 10, then what is the common region? Common region between these two starting walking is 5 to 10 only. So that 5 to 10 s plus t is nothing but 5. 4 plus 1, that is 5. And here another person starts from 5. So therefore x greater than s plus t is the common region between these two terms. That is what we have written there, probability of x greater than s plus t, and as usual denominator probability of x greater than s. Note that probability of x greater than k equal to e power minus lambda k. Therefore probability of s greater than s plus t can be written as e to the power minus lambda into s plus t, and probability of x greater than s can be written as e to the power lambda into s. Why this? How can we write this term like this? Because it follows from this derivation, probability of x greater than k equal to e power minus lambda k for exponential distribution. Therefore cancelling these two terms, e power minus lambda s in numerator and denominator, we can get e power minus lambda t. If probability of x greater than k equal to e power minus lambda k, then probability of x greater than t can be written as e power minus lambda t. But therefore this e power minus lambda t can be written as probability of x greater than t. But therefore left hand side what we have taken already, p of x greater than s plus t given x greater than s, that equals, now we have proved probability of x greater than t for any positive number s and t greater than 0. I mean for any positive number s and t. That's all, hence a proof. And this note is important. Converse of this memoryless property is also true. I mean if probability of x greater than s plus t given x greater than s equal to probability of x greater than t, I mean this probabilistic term is correct. This probability term holds, then its corresponding random variable will follow exponential distribution. That is converse of this memoryless property. And next one, from the above proof, we have seen that in this exponential distribution, a probability of x greater than k, then this can be written as e to the power minus lambda k. So this term, this probability of x greater than k equal to e power minus lambda k, is one type of property in exponential distribution, and for this property is applicable for real number k, any real number k. Okay, and in next video lesson we shall solve problem under exponential distribution. Thank you.